Ron and Melissa Ralston. This is Vivian Ralston. We're from Wadsworth, Ohio, and we have two girls. Ava is 18, Vivian is 15 and a half, and she was diagnosed at age 2.5 with a very rare genetic disorder called CDKL5. When she was diagnosed, there was only about 500 diagnosed cases worldwide, so pretty rare. Unfortunately, the number has grown because diagnosis is more they're putting it on a lot of panels, so people are being diagnosed with it earlier. But the main symptoms are seizures and cognitive delays. Vivi doesn't walk. She needs a pureed diet, but she's happy and she's up for anything. That's where the wheelchair van definitely comes in for us.
Why did you decide on a rear entry versus the side entry you have now?
Number one is moving away from a van. You can kind of have a van as a soccer mom, but Melissa's never had the opportunity to have a cool car, so it was nice to have an SUV option. And if you just think about how many handicap placards are out there, sometimes it's very challenging to find a spot, so the rear entry enables us to kind of go anywhere and do anything we want without having to worry about parking space.
So I said, I don't really want another van. See if there's anything else out there. And he found Freedom Motors with some SUV options, and I was hooked immediately.
Obviously, you want to see what your options are, and most of the places that sell assisted vehicles didn't have a SUV option or a rear entry option. So Kevin was fantastic, very patient. I think we spent
We logged a lot of miles.
probably 2 hours in this building, walking around, seeing every option available, from the SUVs to some of the cars. It was nice to actually see the Honda HR-V. That might be a future second mobile vehicle for us. No bumps along the road, constant communication. So it was fantastic.
Great people to work with.
But Kevin also wanted to make sure we test drove a converted vehicle, and that helped a lot too, so he could make sure the sounds were good and everything. There was no surprises in the end. So
I mean, all the timelines were met, trade went smooth, all the transactions, made sure she was fitted with everything she needed. Obviously, you've got to endorse her, so